On this Uber app tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your preferred currency in the app. This is a very useful tool, especially if you're traveling. So I'm in the Uber app right now, as you can see. First things first, I'm going to click the icon in the bottom right-hand corner, click Account. Then I'm going to go to Wallet. Now once I do, I'm going to scroll down a bit, and you can see right here that kind of like globe icon next to it, Set Preferred Currency. Now once I do, I have a few different options here, and you can see pay in preferred currency available for rides from the US, Canada, UK, and the Eurozone. So I can click whichever one I want, and then I click confirm. There are also two things I definitely have to mention. The fine print in the bottom, not available with Uber Cash or business profiles. There will be a 1.5% conversion fee, and it will be added to your trip fare, and you agree to the terms and conditions. Keep that in mind. The second thing is, you can see I have, like I said, United States dollars, euros, etc. I can also click no preferred currency, which just says always pay in the local currency of your ride. By not using a preferred currency on Uber, you will be charged additional fees by your payment provider. So basically, let's say if you're traveling, you may be charged that extra conversion fee. This, in my opinion, is a really useful feature, like I said, especially if you're traveling. You do have to pay that conversion fee, like I said. Let's say if you're traveling, like I said, in Europe, I'm going to convert it to euros. That way I'm going to pay for everything in euros, which makes it a lot easier.